Hi, I'm Farmer Brown. This is my farm behind me, and them's my cows. Now in Wisconsin, farming, dairy, and cheese is a religion to us. We take it very seriously, just so you know. Let me ask you something. You like milk? Do you like fog? Well, that's awesome too. Then I have a product for you. This is AtMOOsfear, Blizzard's newest product that'll take your venue or film set from mid to milky just as fast as you can say, butter my udder. I just can't get enough of these things. The AtMOOsfear has so many unique and amazing qualities, such as making fog out of milk. And, well, that's it. Mamba Vajama. Speaking of milk, I gotta have myself a chug. Here goes nothing. It's good stuff. If you don't buy this thing, and I beg that you do, because I'll lose my house, and my wife will leave me, and my kids will disown me, and I won't have anybody around to nag me, and I just might be happy. Can't have that, so you order now, and we'll throw in a gallon of milk for free. Yeah! So you buy now.
Blizzard is not responsible for any physical injuries, emotional damage, or lactose-related illnesses contracted from the AtMOOsfear. Please consult your doctor to see if the AtMOOsfear is right for you.
Order now.
Y'all remember the bucket challenge? This is the milk challenge. Love milk. I just can't stop yanking on these